Where's your belly button? Got you, I got you. Doing it more into this left side, but you tell me if either of these are more tender. Left, yeah. It's the round ligament, suspends the uterus, and because her right sacrum was kicked back posterior, it's usually the left round ligament. That's going to be the tighter one, which hooks into the uterus. And if we can take some tension or pressure out of that ligament, it just allows for there to be a little bit more relaxation through the uterus. So as a minister, as a pastor, do you kind of chalk all this process up to this?
In his hands, especially this being my second time around. I was a lot more rigid with my plans and how I wanted my care and everything with my son. And what I've learned is the feeling of trying to be too in control, and the disappointment if your plans don't happen is not worth it.
Look to the right.
At the end of the day, I just
Uh-huh.
want my babies to be healthy. I want me to be healthy.
Mm-hmm.
And, whatever happens, I'm leaving it in the Lord's hands.
Beautiful. Amen.